you're always in doubt with girls, okay, because girls are so complicated. Yeah.
Have you ever hit on a guy in your life?
Yeah. Of course. I think about my family first.
Like, how do you let a guy know you're interested?
Key is not to let them know that you're interested. That's when they get more interested.
That's not too difficult unless the guy is really dumb.
You know, it's always like a wingman, wing-woman situation.
Say like hello.
Maybe by getting close to some other person
Whom he doesn't like. Suggest that you're free on a weekend and you're bored.
Jealousy is the first thing you'd go for?
Yeah, that's the easiest way.
But tell him he's cute. I think I'll show attitude.
That works?
Yeah, that actually works a lot.
I'm gonna talk to you and I want you to give me attitude, okay? So I'll be like, hey, how are you?
None of your business.
I'll start crying if you... Hey, how are you? How are you doing?
Fine.
Cool. So, like...
You know, now I'm showing attitude because I'm not asking that how are you. I'm just saying fine. So that's an attitude.
So I have to make all the conversation. You really got this down. I'm very impressed.
Just look at him for like more than a few seconds. I think, yeah.
You know, eyes can do the talking.
Eye contact and look into the eye. That's very important.
They're always staring at the guy and
Eye contact. Just look over my shoulder and see if you're looking at me.
She keeps looking at you and comes and says hi.
Sometimes you just look back and she's looking at you.
I keep looking at her.
like laugh a lot, I guess.
Laugh a lot.
Laugh a lot, oh yeah.
It can work both ways. It can annoy guys.
You laugh at jokes for no reason. Have you done that?
No, it's not funny. I mean, why will I laugh?
Your mission is to let Nishant know that you're interested. Just let him know that it's okay to come and talk.
Let's see how you make your eye contact.
He has to look at me.
So I just noticed you, just thought I should come and talk to you. What do you do?
They collect fees actually over here. Parking fees.
Hey, hi. I guess you were in my class or college, right?
No.
Is this your bike? It's been more than 3 hours actually.
Have we met?
No.
I'm not important, but have you met Pooja?
Hi.
You should meet me now. I mean,
I love
my name
you.
is Pooja.
I love you.
So, how are you doing?
Good?
How's your work?
You can see. I'm waiting for fees.
Are you dating someone right now?
I cannot tell you.
I'm not hitting on you. I just want, it's not just information. How do you know when a girl is interested in you?
I don't. I seriously don't.
I think it's a slow process, dude. I mean, I'm very slow at gauging things like this.
I know, so am I.
I expect guys to come and talk to me.
We were going on the bike. It was drizzling, quite romantic. It was like, after I go home, she calls me and I was hoping you would propose to me today.
Like, what if he still doesn't get it?
Well, this is a fool.
What if he's a fool that's worth the extra work?
No fool is worth the extra work.
By the end of it, you were so frustrated, like, fucking just ask me out already.
I was too scared to ask her out.
Huh.
So she asked me out.
She's my ex.
Have you ever asked a guy out?
Yeah.
We were like very good friends. Okay, then suddenly she proposed.
How do you do it?
Not well enough, apparently.
TV पे तो नहीं आएगा नहीं.
नहीं आएगा यार TV पे.
See, he said no. He said, I'll think about it, but I'm really sorry, man. I'm like going through stuff.
You never flirted with her?
Never flirted with her.
Stay there. No, I'm very bad at all this.
Why? You got him.
You can see, no, I got him. That people
Is this a mic?
Be confident. That's what we've learned today.
Mysterious, no?
Mysterious
Not
about
being
like
mysterious.
staying away, not doing anything
That's all.
about it, and just let them do all the work.
So the strategy is to not do anything. Do you have any advice for women out there who are single?
Yeah, just wait. The right one will come.
Just wait and don't do anything. That sounds like really good advice.
I don't like the whole wait for the guy to come to you thing. Actually, I don't think we know much about this. There's so many shy guys out there. Like, they'd probably just look there and be like, oh, but 3 years ago I liked you, but I never had the balls to come and tell you. Sort of.
Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you did, I'd like to give a big shout out to the people over at Woo who really helped us to make this video. Now, Woo is an app that you can use. It's a great way to meet people, and it's also a way to find your special someone. So do check it out. It really helps us. It really helps them. For details, you can click on this, and there's more details in the description. Also, of course, if you like the channel, please subscribe. That really helps us out. And of course, I love you. Bye bye.